when it comes to choose what option you want to use to mount your transducer on the boat on a separate pole, there are many things to consider. Today, I'm going to show you real underwater test performance of two very affordable options. On one side, I have the bike repair stand mounted, and on the other side, I have the ram mount option. So I will be using the trolling motor to go at burst speed and record how well the pole holds the vertical position. Let's get started. Okay, first let's look at the pole mount option. Now I'm going at about 1.1 mile per hour. You can see the pole stays vertical, no problem. Here we go. Vertical. All right, let's increase the speed. See how far. Okay, a little bit slower. Now at 2.7 mile per hour. You can see the pole is still stayed in vertical position. Okay, it's not moving at all. Okay, let's increase even more. Right, today is actually kind of windy day. The maximum I'm looking at I can go is about 2.7. That is with my trolling motor on maximum speed today. 2.8. All right, 2.7, 2.8. As you can see, still stayed vertical. Very well, no problem at all. See where, so I have, oh, that's even dragging some weeds down there. So the transducer is about a foot down in the water. All right, now let's look at the ram mount option. Okay, for the ram mount, I position the pole. Let's put this down a little bit. I position the pole to the depth of the water. It's exactly the same as the other one. It's about a foot down in the water to be, having as much apple to apple comparison as possible. So right now I am going at 1.3 mile per hour. The pole still stayed pretty well with this knob. I use my maximum strength. I cannot turn this thing anymore. And one thing I want to make sure is that this piece goes like this way, not open. So that way, hopefully this will provide a little bit better hold. So that is at 1.3, 1.4 mile per hour. Pole stayed vertical pretty well. All right, let's start increasing the speed a little bit more. Okay, let's see, still vertical. Let's see how fast we're going right now. 1.8 to 1.9. Okay, about 2 mile per hour. This thing's definitely actually holding pretty well. Pretty vertical. Oops, I just hit something. Okay, we're back to business. I now going 2.2. Still looks pretty good. Still looks pretty good. Definitely holding better than I thought. Okay, let's see how fast can we go. Right now it's a little bit less windy. Okay, 2.8 mile per hour. It's actually holding surprisingly well. It's still vertical, but it's actually started tilting. Let's see. As you can see, it started tilt. I won't say this is how. Maybe a little bit harder to see since I'm filming on the boat. Tilted off a little bit, but not terribly. So if you're going, actually this right now we're going at 2.9 mile per hour. This is pretty good. I am pretty impressed with this. So looks like both are pretty comparable. Okay. At least I know at less than 3 miles per hour. This right now 3 miles per hour. The pole is just started tilting towards me a little bit. Okay, now I changed the motor so we can go a little bit faster. It's at 3.3, 3.4 mile per hour. Be careful where I'm going. Now you see for this pole, for this one, it's actually started tilting. So my recommendation, if you normally troll above 3 miles per hour, I think 3 miles per hour, that's probably the maximum hold without a stabilizer plate. Okay, now I'm using a 5.3 miles per hour. With this, it started tilting a little bit. Maybe I need to tighten a little bit more, but this is pretty good. All right. So I say up to 5 miles per hour. Both of my pole mount options feature a quick disconnect. Use this, this quarter-inch pin. It was inserted in here. You just unplug the pin, done. This either you just put away. And best way to protect your transducer, hard cover. So you can just throw it on your boat, no problem. Super simple. Drop in, little Velcro, done. That say you have so many different things in the boat. You just put the transducer here, bounce onto something else, whatever. It's hard protective cover. Lifetime warranty. If you ever somehow smash into something, your transducer will be saved. This thing's broken, send me an email, contact me, I'll send you a new one. Okay, I will conclude this for today. So basically I would say for this bike repair stand mount, you can throw up to 5 miles per hour. Maybe you can tighten this a little bit better than I do. I might be able to go a little bit faster. And for this the ram mount option, you can easily go about 3 miles per hour, no problem, without any stabilizing plates. So yeah, that's that. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thank you for watching.